So what I'm about to do now is I'm gonna push this pin out so that these pins would be able to sit in this socket, this connector, because they are basically the same design. So I'm gonna push this out, and how am I going to do that is by using this test pen, a simple test pen, right? So this test pen will slide through this hole here. Can you see the gap? Yeah. And it will make it easy for me to push this outwards. So what you can see here is, guys, a clean pin, which will slide right into this one, right? So if possible, I've got myself these insulators as well, heat shrink they are called. Let's see the final product after this. So I have snapped the pin right back into place like so. Now it's all the slots are full. This one I have yet to do, so you can see there's an empty slot. Same thing, I'm going to do what I did to this one, and let's see if we get hazards. Oh, it looks after being heat shrunk. I'm gonna, to be extra cautious, I'm gonna use this tape and just tape a little bit here and there. So hazards at the front work. This one, the bulb is out, I guess. Bulb is gone. Oh, loose connection. Right. Hazards here work. And also, finally, full set of complete lights. So it's a success. See, we have both sides of the hazard lights working. The main light, the reverse light. So the experiment was successful. Please like, share and subscribe.